Everyone, this is Cindy Crane at the Heart, and I'm back with another giveaway celebrating kind of the start of the holiday season. It's my Black Friday thankful giveaways. I've been doing thankful giveaways every Friday in the month of November. And so this is the fourth week, and I'm basically doing all giveaways all weekend. So if you are just tuning in, I have, I think this is going to be giveaway number 4. So I have 3 other giveaways that you can comment on to win a really fun prize. Now, it's US only, 18 years of age, and you have to be a subscriber. So 18 years or older, be a subscriber because this is a thankful giveaway. I'm thanking my subscribers for following me, for leaving comments, or even not leaving comments, just watching my videos and just being a part of my channel. So anyway, this is the giveaway. I'm going to have 3 winners because I have 3 stamps here. I've got this stamp. These are all from Just Right. So I have 2 of these. And it says, I don't know what it says, but I guess the Spellbinders Vintage Labels 2 fits this stamp. So this stamp is called Christmas Gifts Vintage Labels 2. It's a set of 10 cling stamps. They are right there. And I have 2 of those to give away. And then I have a third. So there'll be 3 winners from this video. And then I've got this one. It's called Doily 2, and it has 6 cling stamps. So it's got your doily, and then it's got some words here as well. So those 3 stamps. Now you have a whole week to respond, to comment on the videos. I will be picking the winners next Friday, probably in the evening, California time, Pacific Standard Time. So you have plenty of time to enter all the giveaways. They're all fairly simple. I think on my last one, I might add a little extra something for that one because I have some really good stuff to give away on Sunday. So, but everything else is just a comment only thing. So to win these stamps, have a chance to win these stamps, I'd like you to leave a comment and let me know, what should you let me know? Let me know what your favorite book or magazine is right now. So what your favorite book or magazine, something you've read recently, maybe, you know, if you don't read, that's okay too. You can put your favorite TV show. I don't care. Let me know something cool down below that I could watch or read or buy from my library. I'm just trying to, get to know the people who visit my channel. So that's why I have all these little comment on this, comment on that. But I mean, any comment. I don't filter out the comments if it doesn't follow the directions. I'm okay with that. So anyway, just go ahead, leave a comment, and you have a chance to win this. Remember, you have until Friday, and then I will choose a winner right here on this channel. So thank you so much for visiting.